1982 Datsun 2.8 Turbo 5-speed. Price: $12,750. Location: Los Angeles, California. The 1982 Datsun 2.8 Turbo 5 Speed is the kind of classic Japanese sports car that instantly grabs attention the moment it appears on screen. Finished in beautiful silver mist metallic with matching interior trim, this turbocharged coupe perfectly captures the futuristic styling and performance spirit of the early 1980s, from the removable glass roof panels to the aggressive rear window louvers. Every angle of this iconic machine feels like a time capsule from the golden era of analog driving. The biggest highlight of this particular 2.8 is what sits beneath the hood. Powered by the legendary 2.8-liter L28ET turbocharged inline-six engine, this car delivers the raw mechanical character enthusiasts crave today. Originally built with an automatic transmission, this example has been upgraded with a 5-speed manual gearbox, transforming the entire driving experience into something far more engaging and exciting. The sound of the turbo spooling combined with manual shifting creates a feeling modern cars simply cannot duplicate. The exterior design of the 2.8 Turbo remains one of the most recognizable shapes in Japanese automotive history. The long hood, sleek fastback profile, factory turbo wheels, and subtle front spoiler give the car a sporty yet elegant presence. Even parked, the car looks fast. The silver mist metallic paint shines beautifully under sunlight, while the dual pinstriping adds a premium touch that was popular during the era. Small details like the dual exhaust outlets and removable roof panels make this coupe feel unique compared to other classic sports cars from the same generation. The interior offers a perfect blend of vintage comfort and driver-focused simplicity. Inside, you'll find supportive bucket seats, a classic two-spoke steering wheel, cruise control, power windows, power mirrors, and an original-style AM/FM radio. The dashboard layout feels futuristic even by today's standards, reminding drivers why the 2.8 became such a popular grand touring sports car during its time. Every switch, gauge, and control delivers authentic, old-school charm that collectors and enthusiasts continue to appreciate. Whether cruising through city streets or opening up on the highway, the car feels balanced, responsive, and surprisingly refined for a vehicle over 40 years old. The factory power-assisted brakes and lightweight CHAS help create a confident driving feel that still holds up today. This 1982 Datsun 2.8 Turbo represents an affordable entry into the collector car world while still offering genuine performance and timeless style. For enthusiasts searching for a vintage sports coupe with personality, history, and undeniable road presence, this turbocharged Datsun stands out as one of the coolest bargains currently available in Los Angeles.